Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by unpacking and verifying the kit fast. Count posts, rails, shelves, and hardware so you won't stop mid-build. Once verified, clear a 2M workspace and lay foam to protect metal. Start with the base rails. Orient notches toward the inside and slide one post into each end until it clicks. Use a rubber mallet gently if needed. Make sure posts sit flush. Tighten hand bolts just enough to hold position because you'll adjust alignment later. Next, you set shelf heights and install braces. Decide load spacing based on the heaviest items, then insert shelf clips at matching levels on all 4 posts. Once clips are in, add diagonal cross braces to prevent racking. Align holes and hand start 6mm bolts with washers. Then place the shelf panel onto the clips, center it, and repeat for each level. Make sure braces form an X pattern where possible. That's the key to rigidity. And keep bolts finger tight until final alignment is confirmed. To finish, you methodically tighten and level. Use the specified torque or a snug, firm feel, tightening bolts in an opposing sequence to avoid warping. Next, adjust the leveling feet until the shelf is plumb check with a level front to back and side to side. Load heavier items on lower shelves and distribute weight evenly. Finally, anchor the unit to the wall if required. If shelves wobble after setup, loosen bolts slightly, realign panels and braces, then red-iron. That usually eliminates binding or misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.